that's for you.
Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how I make my videos. So firstly, I actually downloaded this app named X Recorder. Oh wait. Okay, my brother stopped crying now. So this is how I make my videos. Firstly, I download this app named X Recorder, and I put this on the top. Close, open. He stopped crying again. And for example, I'm going to play. I wait. I am going to play like Roblox, and then I'm going to record that with X Recorder. And after that, I'm going to YouTube, right? Right? Wait. And then here, for example, wait, it's loading. Eh? Oh, here. Yeah, I'll go. And then let's go back to YouTube, and then I'll show you how I do my vids. And like example, I'm going here, like the one I recorded earlier. Yes, Geometry Dash. Example, I played Geometry Dash instead of Roblox, and I'm going to name it. I mean, like, you're gonna pick a video you want to do, and then you're going to put a title to that. Like, example, playing geometry dash levels. And then I'm going to public so that I can stop typing, and then I'm going to upload it. And we're gonna check if it's made for kids or it's not made for kids. And we're going to press it's made for kids if it's appropriate. Then we upload. And here, you just need to wait. And then you will have and then here are the videos I made. It goes like that. And that's gonna be the end. Peace.